Hey, I'm Kelly, and today I'm going to be showing you how I go about painting lips. So I'm going to put on the screen in a minute the color palette I used for this specific painting so you can follow along if you would like. Here are the 4 colors. Throughout this, I will put up the colors in the top right hand corner so you can follow along easier. First, I take the medium orange color and I fill in the lips. After that, I do take a darker color and I do make the middle part of the lips really stand out because there is a separation there and it should really stand out more. I also take a darker orange and I just kind of make the lips look more three-dimensional. I go in again with the darkest color. I like to fill in the 2 sides of the upper lip because I feel like this makes it look more three-dimensional. Making sure to blend properly. I then again take the darker orange and I put it on the bottom of the lip and the top, again making it look three-dimensional. I always like to put a line through the middle of the bottom lip just because I feel like on a lot of lips there's naturally a line there, but again it will depend on what kind of lips you are painting. I do like to take lighter, almost skin color to the corners of the lips just to make it look like it fits more into the face and it's not just like lips drawn onto someone. I'm just gonna go about blending here, making a little more blend in the middle. Also blending out the middle line so it's not so dark. This is just blending process, making it all look smooth and together. I go again with the darkest orange again because I felt like my blending was getting rid of the middle line, so I wanted to go in again with the dark color to make it stand out more. I'm blending once again, putting in the first orange color, blending it out. I'm making the bottom of the lip stand out more, going in with a darker color to make the line in the middle stand out more because I did overblend the first time. I then go and I put in lines on the lips, but I like to avoid putting too many lines because I do feel like it makes them look chapped, so be careful with how many lines you choose to put on the lips because it could make it look dry. Here I'm just adding a little detail, making the line stand out again, making the bottom of the lips darker and standing out more, and then just overall blending to make sure everything's smooth and creamy. Here it is highlight time. This is the part where it really will make your lips look more shiny and glossy. Next, I like to blur out the edges of the mouth, make them all smooth, so again, it really fits on the face more and it doesn't look like it's just drawn on the face. You can skip this if you want a lip line look. Now I'm going to edit around the lips, basically the skin details around the lips to make it fit more. So I like to make it darker underneath the bottom lip so it looks like plump and juicy. I also go in with a dark skin color and I like making the indents in the corner of the mouth. This is just my style choice for that. Highlighting on the top of the lips, which does the same thing to the dark on the bottom, just making them look more plump and big. And now we reached the end of the painting, and I hope you enjoyed. If you want more tutorials, you can stick around on my channel, and thank you for watching through this.